everyone, welcome back to our channel. I need to make some food for Barbie. I love burgers and fries. I will make them today for Barbie to try. I will make a burger bun. First, I need to shape the top well. Next, I use a circle cake cutter to make a perfect shape for the bottom. I will make some green lettuce. Lettuce is good for your health. Mommy always wants me to eat more. I will make some cheese. I love cheese. I will make 2 pieces. Next, I will make a beef patty. I will add some details to make it look real. Yummy. I love my burger have a lot of tomatoes. I will make 2 pieces. I will add some white onion rings. Perfect. Alright, I stack them together. Perfect. I'll add some details, then we will have a perfect burger. I add some sesame seeds on the top. Next, I will make a pack of fries. Before, I need to make a pack to store the fries. Look cute. Now I will make some fries. So yummy. I will make a lot of fries. Now I will make some fries. So yummy. I will make lots of fries. Oops, I think I make too much fries. I will try to put as much as possible. Perfect. Now I'll make some drinks. It is quite hot today. We need to carefully shape the bottle. Great, the bottle looks good. Now I'll make a red cap for the bottle. Great! I'll make a red label for the bottle. Perfect. Barbie loves chicken nuggets. I'll make 4 pieces, 2 for me and 2 for Barbie. Now, I'll add some details. Perfect. Don't forget the ketchup, guys. Chicken nuggets will be tastier with ketchup. I'll make a small container in white. Great! I have a perfect meal for Barbie now. Let's eat. Thank you for watching. See you soon.